Hi guys, let's take a look at this question where experiments are performed to compare the refractive indices of different materials. In one experiment, a light ray passes from air to material A, and the angles of incidence and refraction are measured. The refractive index for air is 1, and the graph was drawn using the results of material A. Okay, 6.1. Define the term angle of incidence. So angle of incidence is the angle between the normal to a reflecting surface and incident ray. Okay, that is probably in your textbook, or you can just get it from a past paper and study it as is. 6.2, calculate the refractive index of material A using the data on the graph. All right, so we can just use our little trusty formula on our formula sheet. 6.2. Please write down the formula first because you do get a mark for it. A nice easy mark, guys, man. Please write down the formula. All right, so they want the refractive index of material A. So they want NR. We have the refractive index of A, which is 1 sine theta, which is 0.56. It's given. We don't have the refractive index of material A, so that is the unknown, and we have 0.37 as you can see there. So we can multiply to get that, and then we divide to get our refractive index of material A by itself, and we get 1.51. All right, and that's your final answer. 6.3. Calculate the speed of light through material A. So speed of light, we can use this formula, N equals to C over V. So 6.3. N equals to C over V. So now we have just calculated the refractive index of material A. So we have N, right? So we jot down 1.51. We have our constant speed of light there to be 3 times 10 to the power of 8, or speed through a vacuum. And then we don't have the speed of light through material A because that is the unknown. So we do our little math calculations and we find the speed of light through material A to be 1,99 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Okay. 6.4. If material A is replaced by material B with an angle of refraction of 31 degrees, when the angle of incidence is 40 degrees, calculate the refractive index of material B. Okay. 6.4.1. We use our trusty formula that we have to write down. Angle of incidence, an angle of refraction. Remember, the I stands for incidence and the R stands for refraction. So they want material B. So we have air. We still have air. So that is still 1. Sine incidence is 40. We don't have the refractive index of material B. So that's the unknown. But we do have the angle of refraction, which is sine 31. So we do our calculator work. We times that. 1 times sine 40, we get the answer there. We divide or do whatever we need to do in math to get the refractive index of material B to be 1.25. Okay, then the last one. Redraw the graph of material A on the same set of axes. Draw the graph you expect for material B. Label the graph of material A. So what will you do in your exam? You will redraw this graph. Right, you redraw it as is. You don't have to write in the coordinates though. You can just draw the line of A. Then you can just add the line of B right there. All right, and that's it, guys. See ya.